Hello, this is Eggy Pal. Today, let's learn to make 20 by adding. Let's count to 20 first. Follow me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20! Next, let's learn plus and equals. 0 plus 1 equals 1. 1 plus 1 equals 2. 2 plus 1 equals 3. 3 plus 1 equals 4. 4 plus 1 equals 5. 5 plus 1 equals 6. 6 plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 1 equals 8. 8 plus 1 equals 9. 9 plus 1 equals 10. 10! 10 plus 1 equals 11. 11 plus 1 equals 12. 12 plus 1 equals 13. 13 plus 1 equals 14. 14 plus 1 equals 15. 15 plus 1 equals 16. 16 plus 1 equals 17. 17 plus 1 equals 18. 18 plus 1 equals 19. 19 plus 1 equals 20. 20! Wow, we already learned up to 20. This time, let's start with 10. 10 plus 1 equals 11. 10 plus 2 equals 12. 10 plus 3 equals 13. 10 plus 4 equals 14. 10 plus 5 equals 15. 10 plus 6 equals 16. 10 plus 7 equals 17. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 10 plus 9 equals 19. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 20! Now let's add to make 20. 1 plus 19 equals 20. 2 plus 18 equals 20. 3 plus 17 equals 20. 4 plus 16 equals 20. 5 plus 15 equals 20. 6 plus 14 equals 20. 7 plus 13 equals 20. 8 plus 12 equals 20. 9 plus 11 equals 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 10 plus 10 equals 20. 11 plus 9 equals 20. 12 plus 8 equals 20. 13 plus 7 equals 20. 14 plus 6 equals 20. 15 plus 5 equals 20. 16 plus 4 equals 20. 17 plus 3 equals 20. 18 plus 2 equals 20. 19 plus 1 equals 20. You're doing great! Keep on practicing! Next time, we will learn to make 30 by adding. See you next time.